Ooh, what's that?
This is the Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus 48K edition.
So what are we playing?
Something kid-friendly.
It's a cassette.
Yes.
You can't get games on cassettes.
In the 80s you could.
Really? Oh, cool. How are you going to do that?
With this.
How long is this going to take?
Loading times. 4 minutes and 53 seconds.
So what am I supposed to do then?
I'll make drinks.
Okay. So... Oh, fudge! Get the other way, get the other way! Okay, I'm just gonna run up the stairs then. Right, okay, I understand it. What? Right, I can do that. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Why? Oh my god. I didn't say to go that far. Right, I'll just go on then. Why is it so difficult? Why can't I jump? Oh my god. Oh, I didn't ask to go there. Okay. Right. Now I can't go there. Right. So what the hell are you supposed to be? Dad!
Yeah?
You're there? Again?
Yes.
I can't do this.
Oh, simple black and white. Oh, God. Glad hit detection is not that important in this game. These screens are tiny, and it is kind of difficult to see what you're doing here. See, there we go. Oh, we do have some sound effects then. These controls. And your up and down controls are Q and A, but then you've got to go all the way over here, and it's O and P as left and right. And of course, spacebar in the middle, and the items you pick up 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. That is so difficult to see anything. There we go. Okay, I didn't even see that there was a staircase there. There we go. Right, don't get any sound effects when you open the doors. Or when you get hurt, you'd think would help. Oh god, here we go. Right, time. Come back on me. There we go. Good. Right, first item. Don't know if that's actually going to do me any good. There we go. Come on. There we go. Controls are really stiff. Right, there we go. Yep. Oh, come on. Yep. Yep. Oh, yep. Keep right. Fantastic. Oh, no. Yep. There we go. Yep. Up we go. Let's see if we can. Okay. I'm not even sure if there's any consistency in the distance of the jumps either. Bloody bat. There we go. I'm not even sure what these guys on the ropes are. I think they're meant to be the Crow brothers. Well, so far this isn't a lot like the episode that the game's based on. The lack of any kind of animation when the door opens, other than a bloop, it's gone, There we go. Oh, back. Okay, keep, right. Let's keep going. That's the stairs. And these screen sizes are tiny. And there you are. I'm right on the edge of the screen. If I continue pressing forward, then I would have ended up off the screen. Oh, fantastic. Right, great. Of course, the whole idea is I've got to get back before sunrise in Transylvania, so, the timer is also your health bar, which is a really odd way of doing it. Where's your guy? Yeah, there we go. See, when you don't necessarily want it to, it will jump very well. Yeah, these tiny screens. There we go. Up and up. Yep. There we go. Ooh. Something interesting happened there. Oh, I'm glad I had clipping issues and all sorts of. Oh, this is going to cost me. There we go. Keep. There we go. Oh, bug. This is going to cost me as well. So the time spinning forward is your injury. Oh, I don't remember that. What's the bat? Okay. Another thing. Alright. Well, there's nothing really to keep you from getting completely lost in this game either. Right, stairs. Yep, there we go. Make sure I don't hit the stairs. Oh, god damn it. It's so difficult to control this thing. Stairs. Oh, aha. If I am not mistaken, that is my target. Grab the mallet. Right, okay, thank you. Oh. Right. Oh, there we go. There we go. Open the door. Open the door, come on. And this should be it. Just come on, smash it. There we go. Over in almost as long as it took to load. So there we have the Spectrum edition of Duckula 2. Right, well, let's start with the gameplay. What do you think?
Well, I thought the controls were pretty bad.
Very stiff. Your collision detection's off. You have to be standing perfectly to be able to make a jump. And some of the screens, being it's a static screen each time, they're so small that you move 2 steps and it's gone. So if you're still moving across or you're making a jump across, you've made it right across the screen before you've even realised you've swapped screens.
Yeah.
And so it's not got a lot going for it in gameplay, which is kind of a major down. And you can't really say it's got much in the way of sound, with the exception of the recreation of the Duckula theme song.
Yeah.
I mean, did you hear anything? I think I heard it bleep once or twice when I used keys. That was it.
That was it, yeah. But I thought it was I thought it was going to be better though, go back to the colour and everything.
Yeah, it's one of the levels that we've seen are black and white.
Yeah.
That's not unusual for Spectrum games, but when we're talking about a colourful cartoon character, you would expect more colour.
Yeah, because he's like green and it's kind of weird.
So really, what we're looking at here is a cheap tie-in. It was a quickly knocked together something for the kids.
Yeah.
So I think we can say it. I'm sorry, Ducky Boos, you are not going in the man cave.
No, good.
That's 2 no's. So thank you for watching this review.
To see more of our awesome videos, just look here.
And don't forget to join us on Patreon. All the information is down in the description.
Down here.
See you next time.
Bye.